watching an educational purposes only channel. No children!
Grummy. Today is Tuesday, February the 17th, and we got a mail call from my lady, our lovely lady, Miss K. I'm excited, yeah. But hey, Miss K, I'm gonna tell you, Miss K, I love her to death. I wouldn't have shit if it weren't for Miss K. No slaps, no breeder packs, no clothes on my back. Miss K looks out for me, man, and I'm gonna hook her up. Look here. I figure, man, I'm gonna make it so she could take the saddle off her ride. She want to go bareback on a hot summer night. Maybe she's a little fired up and the twitches kicking, you know. She don't need that warm old beaver on there. I'll make it so she can ride her bareback, baby. Yes, sir. Okay, flipping around on a full moon on a hot summer night. All fired up in cougar mode. She can keep that twitching nice and cool jetting around. Yeah. So I'm going to make it so Kay can take the saddle off when she wants. Yeah, that's how much I love my Kay. Y'all ain't going to see that product until it come time to get the outdoor. I'm going to keep that on the down low for a minute. When it's time to get that, we got something going on here. Yeah. Y'all see this TV in full form in the morning. It's going to be tea time for these ladies. So, I'll be wearing this in the morning with my Miss K. I can feel something in here. Oh, look at this. Miss K hooked me up. More breeder packs. I'm getting low on slaps, K. Oh, more breeder. Thank you, baby. I love you so much. Okay. You know we're going to be rocking K's Rockmelon Haze testers. Photo films. You know I'm going to have a witchy ride this summer, baby. Yeah. I can't wait to get him out there, Miss K. I thoroughly enjoy fucking with you. I get a rush. It's the ultimate rush, Gromies. I'm a junkie. I'm addicted to it. You will never feel more alive when you are face to face with death. It's a rush. Hell yeah, Miss K. I'm going to be sporting that bitch for you in the morning. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna dial in your broom, baby. Don't you worry. You'll be proud to hang it on your wall by the time Pop all done with that bitch. I may even send it to you right before the harvest moon, so you can kick her into gear. Go get you a little harvesting done. Hey, I love you all. I'm so full of shit. I'm out of here. Peace.